In essence, Mr. Chair, we have been practicing this concept even before, but wala pong legal backing because we only do pre event preparations, wherein our present law does not allow NGAs and even local government units to spend money in preparation for the impact of the incident. So yung ating yung kulang po dyan, Mr. Chair, is that we can only use our QRF pag tinamaan na po tayo. Yan po ang nasa batas ngayon. So that's why we're advocating for this anticipatory action wherein it allows government, LGUs to use resources already while preparing for the impact, for the imminent impact. So very limiting po ang current laws natin ngayon, Mr. Chair. But we have been practicing some like doing preemptive evacuation, advocating for early relocation. Pero that iba na po ang mga mechanism na ginagawa niyan. But for this declaration, Mr. Chair, this will allow us really to put 100% yung mga resources na readily available na pwede na pong gamitin habang parating pa lang po yung bagyo or yung isang disaster po.